This 2020 Grand Design Solitude 377 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 8, external shower, air conditioning, refrigerator, awning, LP detector, leveling jacks, skylight, slide-out, auxiliary battery, DVD player, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Solitude 377 MBS is 13,200 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.